Dude, sure, it's focusing shifty. Let me make sure you got it in not in manual. Oh, that's weird. Oh baby.
Whoa baby. Whoa baby.
Oh baby. Can't dull a dull knife.
Where's the sharp ones at? I thought we used our trusty sharp.
Oh, we did, but still, piece of junk, man. This is bad. You get it up.
What's the problem, right?
I can't figure out how to skin this deer because I feel like I'm cutting with a rock here, right? Not making anywhere. By the time I get this deer caped out, my clothes are gonna be out of style. I mean, just look at this basement. You think we got sharp knives in every single pocket and every single pair of pants ready to go, but no.
Got a bunch of kitchen knives. Look at the one we're using now. I mean, this thing's got holes in it for some reason. I don't even know what that's for.
Aerodynamic.
Mom, we're gonna break it off.
Give us a little shout out, Ider Outdoors.
Come on, give us a little shake.
I don't want to.
There it is.
Ryan would never.
I think you're better than Ryan, okay, honest.
Oh, come on.
I
Look how red her face is. Oh my gosh.
Okay, bye.
Alright, so after we got on. Pissed. P-I-S-T. Pissed.
You ever heard that song, She Got the Best of Me by Luke Combs?
She got the best of me.
Yeah. This deer,
He got the best of
this deer's
me.
getting the best of you, boss man.
Sassy Ryan's about to come out. Might work.
This man has had a razor blade the entire time, and we're over here using dull kitchen knives. Look, I was not going to make an appearance on this video, but considering the circumstances, man, can't even see me. Wow, that is rough.
So if y'all want to come over here. Alright, we're going to get the... Alright, so we just brought the bucket over here to the hot plate. We're going to get it fired up, get it warmed up, so that this... Alright, so what you want to do here, you want to get the... Alright, we got our water temperature to 150 degrees. So we'll... Man, dude, I cannot speak. Alright, y'all, step 3, got to clean the plot. Turned out real good. Lost your main thought. Sorry.
I don't mean to be so hard on your eye, but this is a major movie production.
I know it. Alright, so by far one of the most difficult parts, and I'll show you why here in a minute, but it's just a little hole. There's no really good way to really jam it into that hole and just mash it up, and it kind of makes it come out easier. But one of my favorite tricks I like to do is I like to just put it right down, right into that hole, and it just kind of blasts it all out, and it's really messy, and it gets all over you. But I mean, that's really the best way to do it, and there's no really right way to do it. You just kind of have to play around with it. But the most important thing is you just get all of that out. It's all got to come out. But now we're going to go ahead and move on to step 2, which is now we're going to go ahead and move on to step 3.
This is what we use in the skin of deer.
Oh, I know. That's what I said last night in Snapchat. So you're using the box cutter to skin a deer.
We rolling, Ben?
Yeah, hang on, I'm trying to get the focus on it. Alright.
They call me Wolverine.
Hang on, wait, let me back out, do that one more time. Let's get the full effect here.
They call me Wolverine because I can't grow anything right here. It just kind of comes down like Logan from that Wolverine movie. Back home smoking legal. So there. Grizzly Drake showed up from Ryan's house.
Anybody rolling? Anybody rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling. I've been rolling.
Alright,
Son.
y'all be quiet for a second.
Hang on, John's. Okay.
No gimbal action. Not a single bit of gimbal action.
Well, hell, so it's broke.
What was that?
You should have told the guy to get you a fan that looks like a pair of
Did you get that on camera?
Oh yeah, she got custom glasses made. Like these little whiskey glasses, whatever, and one of them says, oh, well, here we go. There. There it is.
It's like Dr. Dre's Snoop Dogg record. What size you reckon?
some biggins.
Biggins? Oh, how does this thing work?
Push the button, son.
Push the button, he said. Push
But you gotta unscrew it.
all night. Push the button, he says.
Yeah, there's Johnny D. Johnny D's made an appearance.
Fell asleep over there in the chair for a minute, but he's back now.
Pretty comfortable chair I had.
It just matches the color of the antlers really well.
Little elf behind the counter back here. Beard, beard.
Wolverine! Where's that stabs on it?
You use your finger or you use a Q-tip?
Q-tip.
Shoved up in there.
Here you go! You got long fingers for it too, Ryan. I think you'd be pretty good at it.
Good at what? So I'm turning y'all out. Put on that.
Whole squad.
Tripod to the
Back back. Ben. Who's that guy right there? What's your name, son?
Don't got one.
I need to inhale it and make it back out. Straight rocks out. Straight. Called Brawl Stars.
Hey now. You're a
What do you
brawl
do?
star.
Get it.
Game mode.
Go play.
Where's the fire button at? That was the red right here, right there.
I can't give tutorials while I'm trying to win.
Man, you
10, then the countdown starts. But if you get killed, you lose.
it's okay.
Alright, I think she's good.
The orange is not my health.
What's the orange?
Look, see, we just hit 12. The green is my health.
Oh, okay, I see it.
We just hit 12. Now we retreat. Or I do. They're idiots. I just sit back and let it count down.
Struggling, ain't you?
What happened?
You just been trying to set it down for about 5 minutes.
And then you got Showdown, which is just straight up free for all.
Ben, I hope you're recording.
You got Showdown, which is just straight up free for all.
Ben, I hope you're recording.
I'm rolling.
Oh, good.
I've been rolling.
Yeah, we got Ryan dancing.
Alright, Ted, I hear all this talk about this blooper reel. Is there actually going to... I wasn't planning on putting a blooper reel in our...
Oh, we could have like a 3-hour long.
I was gonna say we could have like days.
I feel like most of our bloopers end up in videos though.
I mean, yeah.
I'm not planning on putting any bloopers in this video.